Hello everyone, this is Keenan, one of the Tapita's co-founders. I want to personally and quickly guide you through all the new features that we added to Tabita. I want to thank you for supporting us and all the hours that you have put into using Tabita and for all the feedback that allows us to provide you with this update. The update will solve multiple problems reported regarding the interface, the layout, and some of the position of the dashboard. So what are the details? The system by default will set you up with what we call beginner interface. However, as you see here, beginner interface. However, this is just a name for the mode. So whatever mode you feel prefer working with, then please do go ahead and choose that. As you can see here, we have moved all the configuration table to the left side to help user saves a lot of screen space for much better editing experience. It also helps save the user tons of moving times when everything is organized compactly together and ready to be used at any time. But if you do prefer the original design, just click the button beginner as I show you early on right there, and click expert, and it will direct you back to the original design. What I want to demo for you now is what we call tree view, a visualization of all elements for much better management. The tree view panel on the left lists all the elements and element groups. You can use the element panel to show and hide the setting and configuration of the elements, as you can see in the video. So when you use the mouse to hover around the elements, as you can see, it also highlights the position in the live view panel on the right. Yep, so it'll be just a much better visualization rather than don't know where your elements are, right? And to make things a lot less complicated, we also limit the tree view to show only the element that you click. So as you can see here, it will show you the heading slide for number 2, right? Not the heading slide number 1. The second change is that we bring all the configurations that used to be located in the style sections. So just for just a couple of clicks, you pretty much has access to everything to configure to your liking here. Some of you may ask what are the difference. I think the difference here is the user experience. So take a very small thing, for example, the background section used to be hidden in the background tab, right? So for a feature that used very frequently for pretty much any block, so how much time it will save if it's just right here ready to be clicked. So let's use this image as the background really quickly, and maybe select the size, and then you can change the height to 500 to make it bigger. And if you want to remove the border right here, you can change this width to 130, so it will cover the whole page. So let's compare the action that you need to do to have the same result. From here you go to style, click background to expand, same thing, add the image, and then scroll down, click size, and then add the height. So there are a couple more clicks that you need to do, and a little bit more scrolling. Imagine having hundreds and not even hundreds, just 20 or 30 pages, and then each page has a lot of slides, right? So just imagine how much time will you save from just don't have to click that much. Same principle apply for style in general, so you don't have to go back and forth between the two tabs. Everything now is just right here at your disposal. One of the other small change here that we did is to add dark mode and line mode in your paragraph editor. This allows you to edit your text with ease without having to rely on the live mode on the right. So as you can see here, if you turn the change the color of the text to white, then there's absolutely no way that you can see them, right? So all you have to do is just toggle the mode in the bottom right corner right there to convert the editor table to black. So whatever the color is, you can still be able to see it and edit it with ease. The final change for today is to bring out the option to change your font within a couple of clicks. It also a straightforward integration with Google Fonts, meaning you have access to 1,000+ fonts. So it will be applied to every single element in your page, and if there is no font selected, it will choose the website default font for your or for all the elements. So yep, when you click add more font, it will show you a couple of things. First of all is the fill the name and info from here. If you click here, it will direct you to the store of Google, where you can choose a lot of fonts and choose one that you like. Copy the name. For example, I chosen Open Sans here, paste it, and that's it. If you want to delete it, just click the dustbin next to the name of the font, and also it will also delete it from the page. And that's pretty much it. This also brings me to the end of the video. Once again, thank you so much for all the hard work that you guys have put into and for making Typeta the product it is today. Also for all the positive feedback and review that you also put in our store. We read them all and we reply to them all with gratitude. Please continue with the support, and we will keep continuing with all the new features that help you conquer any sort of page building. Happy page building, everyone. Goodbye.